right here in this video, I'll show you how you can get a $5,000 free capital to start trading. Alright, I am making this video right now because I don't want you guys to miss out on this for any reason. Alright, so this is why I'm making this video right now. Alright, so I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this particular account and how you can get this. Now I want you to know that you've never heard of this before and this is the first time you are hearing of this particular prop firm. Alright, so watch this video carefully so that you won't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Alright, I will show you every single thing you need to know. So I want you to know that this particular account is free and you can get it totally for free. And I also don't want you to miss out because it's going to end soon so that you guys can be able to participate in this. This is why I'm making this video right now. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to check the description. Alright, you find the link there. The link is going to direct you. It's going to direct you to my Telegram channel, or it's going to direct you to their homepage. As you can see right here, this is the account we want to get 5,000 free funded accounts. Alright, and you can see right here the entry is free. Alright, this is the pool price. Alright, so I'll show you every single thing you need to know. Now after getting here, all you have to do is to register. Alright, register an account with them. Just click on the register button right here and input everything you need to input: your email, your nickname and your password, and this invitation code right here. Ensure you use my invitation code. If you don't use it, you will not be getting this account, I promise you, and you don't want to risk that. Alright, you don't want to risk that. So the invitation code you'll be inputting is just input right here. You find the invitation link in the description of this video as well. Alright, after inputting that, then you click on the register button. Alright, I am going to do mine right now and I'll get back to the video. So after doing that, they are going to send a verification code to your email. You just have to head over to your email and get the invitation code. Alright, so before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think this is the best time you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So that you won't miss out on updates like this. I drop updates like this every single time on my channel and I don't want you guys to miss out. That is why I'm doing this work for you guys. Alright, so that you guys can stand a chance to win and make money online in 2026. Alright, so this is the verification code I got from them. So you just have to copy it and paste it where it is needed. Alright, paste it where it's needed, and after doing that, then you click on the verify button and you wait for it to load. Alright, as you can see, registration successful. You just have to log in, and after that, then you click on the enter arena button and you wait patiently for it to load. Alright, so after getting here, one of the ways you can make money is by inviting your friends. Alright, you can also make money by that. Just click on this and to copy your invitation link and share it with your friends. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just to take a proper look at their platform and see everything you need to know about their platform, how easy their platform is. This is where you are going to buy the wallet you will try to buy your USDT wallet address to enable withdrawals. Alright, this is where you are going to be buying your wallet, and you can also check the stats. As you can see, they have different people playing on their platform, and this is a prop firm account. Alright, this is a prop firm account. It's one of the prop firm that is currently ready. Alright, so now after getting here, just click on the schedule right here. After clicking on the schedule, you just have to click on the register share right here. Alright, click on the register, and after clicking on the register, you wait for it to load. As you can see, registration successful. Now you can click on this for more details about this particular account. As you can see, we are 12 of 1,000 participants, and this is why I am making this video, so that you guys can be among these people right before it gets to 1,000, before they close this, so that you guys can be a part of it. Alright, so as you can see right, this is the details about the account. The starting is 5,000, the maximum trade is 40 trades. Alright, close only last 3 minutes. Alright, which means your trade must be up and running for at least the minimum time of 3 minutes. Alright, now don't worry about this. This does not mean the fee rate does not mean it is totally free. Don't worry about that. Alright, I chatted with their customer support and they told me that it is totally free, so don't worry about the fee rate. Alright, The fee rate is just when you want to withdraw the amount they are going to charge you. They are not going to make you deposit. They are just going to charge you for that. All right, they are going to subtract it from your bonus, from the money you want to withdraw. All right, it's not that you are going to make a deposit. All right. So now you cannot start trading right now because the status is still pending. All right, there's a time you can start trading. As you can see right here, this is the scheduled time, 11 a.m. for 17th of 4th April. That's 11 a.m. You just have to wait for some hours, all right, before you can start trading. All right, so I have been able to get mine, and your balance is going to be showing right in the home page, when the time is ready. All right, when the time is ready, as you can see right here, this is it. Starts in 4 hours 35 minutes. All right, and as you can see as well, the registration also closes 4 hours 35 minutes. So you have to ensure you watch this video and act on it as soon as possible so that you will not miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Not many people have heard of this particular platform, so you can win from this. All right, you can win from this because they are giving up to about 100% the reward, right? And I believe in you that you can also be a part of this. Not many people have heard of this platform, and that is why I'm making this right now, so that you can be a part of the people that will be winning. All right, so I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.